So Telegram wallet not showing on your device, no wallet. So how to solve it? Open your chat option and go to search bar and just search on wallet. Then you can see the wallet option available here. Just press on wallet. Now press on start and it's almost done. Now if you press on open chat, agree, continue. Now your wallet is ready to go. Let's go. Now your wallet is successfully added to your phone. If you go back your chat option area, you can see your wallet is available here. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.